I'm unboxing Happy the Fox's Fursuit body. It was made by Silvena Handmade. I'm not really sure how it's pronounced. I didn't actually bring down Exacto because I couldn't find it, but I'm gonna just break into this. I'm really excited. Wait, I'm getting somewhere. I wish Chloe was here for this because like Chloe was actually really excited today. Like I showed Chloe the picture and I showed Sammy as well, I think. It was very exciting. Yeah, actually, that's okay. Why am I struggling so much? I'm going to move a bit closer actually because I think I'm quite far away.
Hello everybody, I'm here to open Happy.
Hello everybody.
Hello, I'm happy to be opening Happy.
That should be it. Thanks, Mama. Happy. Oh my god. Look at him. He's so pretty. His legs. Oh wait. Oh look, she gave a fursuit spray. Look. That's so nice. You see this, I'd like to start making these as well myself. I'll put that up here for now. Oh my god. They look so good. I'll take them out now in a second. Hold on. I just want to firstly compare. I've got his tail here just to see if there's much of a difference. There actually isn't. It's like a little bit darker or something, but not noticeably. Whoa. Look. Wait, let me make. Yes, there's a hole for the belt. Perfect. I'm so excited. Look, it's so pretty. And the legs are actually stuffed. Like it's so cute.
Put it on and see if it fits.
Yeah. I don't know how to put it on actually. Oh, I see now. I see. I think I should struggle on a bit. Oh, this feels weird. I know what she means now by... Wait, I'm gonna leave this out of the way for a second. I'm gonna try. I'm so excited. Oh my god, there's kids outside. Can't wait to get bullied. This is difficult. I'm out of breath.
Is it a bit small?
No, it's like fitted. At least so far on. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh my god. This is so cool. Yeah, she added the length to the sleeve like I asked. Thank you. There we go. I've already got fur in my mouth. Oh my god. Look! I need to check the flexibility of it anyways. Like, because if it does break when I bend, then clearly it's too small, you know? I actually forgot to put the tail on and all. Right, let's see them next to each other. I think they're similar. I'm content with that. Yeah, like, given the price I paid for it, it's brilliant. I need to be able to bend down and move around.
Yeah, well, when you bend down there, I heard a crack.
A crack, yeah. No, I get you. I'll check it out anyways, just in case. But do you mind giving me a hand, actually? What else is going on? This is actually, I am so excited. Like, I'm actually thrilled about this. Like, this is like a childhood dream of mine coming through. In fairness, you don't want to be wearing a fursuit and being really worried all the time that something's gonna go wrong. Like, you should have the security that it's gonna be okay. Oh my god. It's so cool. I need to put on the shoes, or the feet paws. His right foot is white.
Yeah.
Do you like it now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Here. Well, throw that in the thing, because you keep moving it out your way and stepping.
Need to like adjust the feet a bit.
Would you be able to sit down in it, like?
Yeah.
Does it feel under pressure?
It's kind of hard to tell because like there's foam in the legs.
The fur is so soft.
I know.
And the eyes are so green. Okay, the shade is slightly different, but very slightly.
The paws. This is actually quite hard to zoom up into, to be honest. I understand now. Mind hooking in my paws for me? And then I'll do like a little durability test.
Do the squat test.
Do the squat test. That's it. It's so cute. I'm so happy. Oh, I am happy, but you know, happier. good though. It's literally, it's him. He's here, like he's in the flesh. Childhood in the flesh. What's up? Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. I was looking in the mirror and I nearly got slapped. Ugh. Slightly different colour, but that's okay. I love it. It's so cool. I think I'll leave it at that. Thank you. Bye bye.